Hold on, let me do one that's actually pretty. Then let's add a screen capture. Alright. That's cursed. Hope that's fine. That works. Oh no, I need that guy. He's super important. He's my, not even though I don't look at that screen, he's my test buddy. What I'm gonna work on is making this block look not god awful, because it looked god awful right now. Let's see. Yep. Looks like I did it like that. So this is what I started working on, but it's so fucking ugly. I have to like really try hard to make one that looks good. And I make one that I'm gonna like in 10 seconds. Wow. And then after drawing the sprite for I have to do the stupid loop. While x equals var x equals 0, while var x equals x1, while x less than x. And then I have to do the same for y. Mr. Beast. Hold on. Got to hear the fun stuff. This is one of the side projects I've been working on. I have a ton of this god awful. It's not even audible for me. Like, it's barely audible, and that's how. Let's do the. Because this at least has its volume boosted. But it's not as mangled. I say. Is this one? Yippee! Corner 2. I always forget if this is clockwise or counterclockwise. I'm about to find out. Corner 3. I think I may have to do -8 here. -8. Plus W -8. What's wrong with this picture? These guys need to be. These ones need to be flippied. I'm going insane. I need to choose better colors. Border will probably be the 8th color. What will the inside be? Maybe 15? This color 9. Can use 9 here, so I can use 8. And then that looks real ugly. That's so fucking cluttered. My god. Captures like a negative. Oh yeah, that's way too loud. That works. That works, I guess. Oh, that reminds me, I have to fix this thing. Yeah, this is kind of jank, but that's it. It's like, maybe I'll make a level editor later, but like, I'm not in the mood to write in a level editor, and I don't even know. And like, if I'm writing a level editor, hell no, I'm not writing that shit in Zig. I'd probably be preferring to write this whole thing in Rust, but the issue with Rust is that it's very particular about its memory layout, and Zig is also particular, but in a way in that it's easier to use like packed structs, because let's look. Audio. Because you can see that like this is a packed struct because it's referencing something in Tick80's memory, and that shit is so fucking packed. It sucks ass. Yep, I think that looks fine for now. The next thing I need to fix. Hold on, it's in main. I'm going to choose the first room. And then for the first room, what is it? Hold on. I'm sorry. Let's rebuild that. And you can see that's. Wait, where the fuck is the second? Oh, the second chain is being covered. But that's the issue, the chain. So let's go back to traffic block. This is because I didn't really think of it that hard. But this is hard coded. So let's do my favorite thing. This is my favorite thing in the whole world when I'm having a programming problem. Let's look it up. Oh, let me unpin that because that's from last semester. This will probably not be right. Oh. Calculate the distance between the centers using everybody's favorite theorem. And length between centers is L? I'm too stupid for this shit. Well, I can at least simplify it by only having one radius. No, that's not what I want. Nope. Yeah, Libre text, my beloved. Hold on. And this is stupid. I have such a major skill issue. I keep forgetting. Why do I have this song? It's not even a song. It's just this thing where you lose. What the fuck is this? Is this like Goo Goo Gaga baby stuff? Well, the fact I'm here is because I'm a Goo Goo Gaga baby. Am I stupid? Am I just a fucking idiot? Alright, buddy. I'm just gonna do GL because I know those GL's stupid. Those GL gamers have it down. This is why Am I just a fucking idiot? What is going on? Okay. I think that means we're gonna have to do this the hard way. So our radius equals, how many is it? That looks like, I'm pretty sure the radius is 4. Const offset x equals self that n dot x minus self dot start. Wait, what is it? Self dot target dot x minus self dot start dot x. Const offset y equals self dot target. Okay, so that's the direction. Const equals This is so fucking cursed. Every frame, by the way. Dot x equals float from int offset x. Dot y equals float from int offset. Wait, is it float? Yeah, it's an int. Dot. What is it? Normalize it. I hate to have to wrap in parentheses to do. Oh, wait. I can use anonymous. Yeah. Nope, I have to use the little dot. Okay, normalized. And then we multiply that by radius. And the reason we multiply it by radius, why do we multiply it by radius? It's because I don't know, but I promise I'm getting somewhere. Actually, no, I don't want to times it by radius yet. And it's normalized. So that means the fun can begin. I have no idea what to call these, so I'm just gonna call it. So I know that the offset will be the same for both of them, or at least I hope. So node 1 will equal offset dot x. No, it's offset equals, okay, with x, no, var node 1. So first, so this one I'm gonna flip the y, and then this one. It's so cursed. Why is it? I'm gonna flip the y. Balance node 2 equals offset dot with x negative offset dot x. And the reason I'm doing that is because, like, in my brain, I think that's a good idea, but I'm just gonna have to see if I'm being stupid. Okay. Okay. So first line will be from node 1, so node, what was it? Float from int. Plus node 1 dot y plus node 1 dot x plus node 1 dot y. Oh, fuck. I fucking hate this shit. Every time. Must have a known result type. This is why I don't like Zig. It's so fucking verbose. For what? For why? For who? Why? Who? Who thought this was good? Promise I'm a professional at work. Oh, fuck. I forgot to do the radius. Oopsie daisy. let's see. I'm gonna look at what clip can do, because clip is not gonna cut it in its current form. Let's look at Tikkaty. I have to look at the wiki. Clip. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. That is not good. Uh-oh, like zoinks. That will fuck up a lot of things. The reason I need the clip space is so I can like do this without like individually drawing each pixel, but oops. Fuck. God, this is gonna suck. Well, maybe if I think about it real hard. Well, let me just compile this, see if it compiles. It compiles, let's see what it does. Wow. Point of view, it works exactly how I thought it would. Why are they both the same fucking line? I'm glad I have a small brain. Hold on, let me see what it's saying. So its Y is for Oh, I'm a dumbass. Am I a dumbass? Okay, so it's saying that oh yeah, I am a dumbass. Okay. Now this is where me trying to dabble in rotation would really come in handy. Let's see. All right. Temp dot. All right. So to rotate clockwise. Hold on, I completely forgot. So I'm gonna rotate clockwise. I would want -1 to become. I would want y, -y to become x, and x to become y. So temp dot x equals offset dot y and then negative, and temp dot y equals offset dot x. And that's to rotate clockwise. To rotate counterclockwise, I would want y to become x. Would I? I would want x to become y, and I would want y to become negative x. Shit. Yes, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Mr. So to rotate counter, I would want x to become y, so x equals offset dot y. Now I'd want y to become negative x. Oopsie, poopsie. I think it's getting close. I just forgot how, and I have to just add to the center of the. I have to add. Let's see if it complains about that. Oopsie. Nope, it not complain. The magic. Okay, that's very close. But oh, it's gonna be nightmare. Nightmare, 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 nightmare. It's a little too big. I've never heard that in my life. I've never heard that's so small either, so, you know. And then, I'm glad I'm so big-brained. I feel so smart. But the issue is then, maybe, okay, where is the radius? If I do 3.5, because the radius is only used as a float. That functions. That's good enough. Hell yeah, good enough, brother. Alright. So we got the lines working. Now for the extra big brain zone. Okay, I know it's going to be a half circle. I may be able to do this in 2 clip calls per circle. That's if I rage though. I might. That's a big might. I might just be able to do it in 2 clip calls. Oh yeah, I love this one. Sorry, my footsie just cramped. Okay. It might. What the fuck just happened? It might. Hold on. So if clip, then it might. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna take this a little more seriously because I'm a fucking idiot. All we can do is do rectangles, axis aligned rectangles. So, okay. For node 1, const so what I'm going to do, clip 1x is going to be as f32 float from int start x. If I'm going to use it that much, I'm just going to pre-calculate it. The compiler might optimize that. Because I'm sick of writing out float from int. It might. All right. So clip X is going to be start X F. And then what is it? Do 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 do. So start X F plus. Plus node1.x oh, that's so much more complicated than I thought. Hold on, I'm gonna have to get out the Drawly thingy for this. Big man, see the furries I'm drawing. Moist, keep that out. Moist, keep that out. It's not the worst things I've drawn. What am I doing? Okay, so what we're having here is like a little half circle. But the major issue and the reason this is so complicated, hold on, let me actually do an actual honest to God. Shit, please. Let's do it. That works. Shit. And then we can select this. Shit. And then we can rotate it around. The issue is that I can spin it around however it wants to be spun. And that's why this is so complicated. So the idea, the issue here is I can only draw full circles with a clip space. So my original code did was it drew a horizontal one with clipping, so it looked like a half circle. But what I'm gonna have to do is like account for what if it's like this? What if it's like this? So the points I have are these two. I can't point. Oh, can you see my cursor? Yeah, you can see my cursor. Is these 2 points. These 2 points are the only information we have. I could do an extra point at the back. I'm not sure if that would really be helpful. Well, yes, it would be helpful. Let me do that. To rotate completely counter, I think, so this one is counter, so I'm just going to do this one again. I'm actually going to do So it's just gonna be no 2 dot y, and then temp dot y equals negative no 2 dot x. Break. No, that's not gonna work. Offset. This is the back point now. Okay, so reverse point is just the point on the exact back. So this is the initial point we start with. I calculate that from like the difference between them normalized. And then I rotate that point, and as we can see from, let's see, so we can see just from this that it does in fact work. Because otherwise I wouldn't be drawing correctly. So with that point, I could calculate what quadrant it's mostly in. I don't know if there's a case where this half circle can be in all 4 quadrants. I'm going to assume there is no case, because it doesn't make sense that a half circle would be able to fill all 4 quadrants. So I will know that the quadrant of the initial point will be the one where there is nothing in it. That means, and the reverse point is where there will always be one. And the thing is, we're just going to be drawing the same circle for, wait a minute. Yeah. We're just going to be drawing the same circle over and over again, so it doesn't matter if they overlap. It'll just be a little expensive, but not that expensive. If it's up here, then I do, okay, let's start with the quadrant. So clip X 1 equals, if rev point, no, I do not want to, let's not add the radius, so it's easier to, if a rev point dot x less than 0, that means if ref point dot x is less than 0, that means it's going to be on this side. It's going to be that side. If it's that side, then that means we're going to take, alright, okay, there are points, okay, oh, I see. Right. So if the rev point is less than x, then we're going to take the minimum of these two. No. And if it's greater than x, we're going to take the maximum of those two. Okay, hold on. I'm stupid. If it's less than x, then minimum node1.x, node2.x, else max node1.x, node2.x. Okay. Shit. And then the next constant will be and the good part is that no, it's not a good. Okay. Oh, the rev point is and this point, the rev point is used for the first one. Okay, so it's going to do clip1y equals if rev point dot y less than 0, it's going to be minimum node1.y, node2.y, else. Hold on. I'm gonna group the first one into its own set of brackets, just so it's easier for me to keep mental track of it. Else, it's going to do at max of them node1.y, node2.y. And then, okay, const clip 1, and then it's going to do clip 2x, because this is going to be, hold on. Oh, the clip is like a width. So clip 2x. No. Okay. All right. So let's say, hypothetically, I think I'm just gonna program. I'm too stupid for this right now. Plus as I32 clip 1x. Oh, it's gonna be infam wrote. I do not like zigs. It's just also for this kind of thing, there's just so many fucking interfaces that I wish I was using Rust. I'm gonna comment these out just so I can look here. Miss Mr. Beast. Which one is this? Spectrum Obbligato. I forgot how hard this went because you only hear it once. Oh no, and XF. It built Time for some cursed. That's interesting. So it's very interesting. Where'd it learn that? Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Okay. I have to remember the time. As I-32 float permit. Fuck, not in. It's in from float. As I-32 in from float. This is so fucking cursed. I'm going to disable drawing the gears for now. Do not ask why I had to do all that just to do an early return. Average SIG programmer trying to debug. Wow. Fuck. What the fuck am I doing? Help! Help! Help me! Help me! Okay. No, absolutely no sir. No Zaza whatsoever. Antoine. Okay. So 3.5 and 7. Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. Those are widths. Those are widths. Those are widths. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. I meow. This is why I say I'm stupid, because I am. It's a skill issue, and a major one at that. Alright, getting somewhere. That sure is getting somewhere. But I'm not sure why it looked like that. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Hold on. I want to round. Mr. Beast, what does he teach? Let's round it. Whoa. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, what does he teach? Why does mine look like that? Slightly larger radius. I have no idea why it's offset like that. Maybe just a major skill issue. Hold on. Let's looky wookie at the circle. In pixels. That's suspicious. It's okay. I think. Sussy baka. It's an I-32. Yep. So that's a little like suspect. Like it's like there's an imposter among us. Among us. Among us. Sus? Among us. Among us in real life. Sus? Among us. When the imposter is sus. Brain rot. Let me edit it. This is why I had it in main to jump to that room because I was testing this. That's worse somehow. What the fuck? What the fucky wucky is going on, uwu? Who the fucky wucky is messing with my fucking code? Who making it broke? Humph. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Brain rot. My brain is rotting right now. Point of view, no early return, and point of view, no early return, and no multi-line comments. I'm not sure whose bright idea was that. Hold on. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, what does he do? Mr. Beast. Yeah. Mr. Beast. Beast, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, All right, buddy. Dun, 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 dun. Interesting. Miss, Mr. Beast, miss. Interesting indeed. That's very jank, too. Perfect. I love jank. Arf, 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 arf. I'm gonna draw the chain on top so it's easier to see. What? No, the clip. Interesting indeed. Yay! Interesting indeed. I love this jank. I can make 2 goals. If it's less than 0. Watch it be like, fuck you. Watch the compiler be like, fuck you. Nope, the compiler is surprisingly not like, fuck you. Rare Zig compiler W. And I mean rare. I mean very rare. Holy fuck. I'm in Fortnite Battle Pass. Shana. Shana. Yeah. Mr. B, Mr. B, Mr. Beast, 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 Beast. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Rare Zig compiler W. Should I be happy about it? Oh, that's very interesting. Jank. Point of view, Celeste. You just got Celested. Send this to your friends to totally molest them. What? Alright, camp. Alright, gays. Now that's what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, I'm a fucking psychopath. I can't help being a psychopath. I can't help it when I'm a psychopath, okay? I say stupid shit. I can't help it. Wait a minute. Who are you people? SpongeBob. Hold on. I think I flippy whippy these. SpongeBob. SpongeBob. PogChamp. That's so fucking close. Can I get an Omega lol in the chat? Can I get a Pay in the Can I get a Pay in the chat? A Pogarino in the chat, please? Can I get a Poggies? Pogarino, a Papega, as they say. A Poggers. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beep, 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 beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beep, 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 beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Please stop asking to have Mr. Beast burger for dinner. I make great healthy vegan burgers. Okay, now we're gonna do uncomment this guy. This guy. And we're gonna replace you with S point. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beep, 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 beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beep, 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 Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. I'm going insane. I'm going off the walls with my zero energy. I hope you know I have assignments. Average Bulbies time management. Average autistic person's executive functioning skills. Holy fuck. Oh, that's interesting. If you moonwalk a little too hard, that kind of like, it's like, huh. Mr. Beast. That's interesting as well. Hold on. Let me see. Mr. Beast. Who? Flixel Minecraft? Who out here be making Flixel Minecraft? Bro doing what I do on a Saturday night. What the fuck? Why does he have gun? Guns don't kill people. Nuh-uh. I kill people. Okay, too bad it knocks you off. But I feel like such a break brain. I did that without that much help from the internet. Well, the help I did get from the internet sucked ass. But I feel like such a god programmer. I figured that out in at least under an hour. And that's epic. That's so fucking epic. I feel like a real programmer now. Not just some script kiddie. Alright, can't... Yeah, now stop yanking my chain unless you want something to yank on. What the fuck? Why would I say that? Why the fuck would I say that? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you? Okay. Now let's say, hypothetically, I'm your daddy. And let's also say, for the sake of argument, you've been a bad girl. You've been a naughty girl, even. Because I'm daddy, I am the one who must provide punishment. So 130, 110. Let's say, hypothetically, I'm your daddy. Okay. It looks like it just does that. Okay. Let's say, hypothetically, I'm your daddy. That's so cursed. I don't know why it does that. Because I stupid, that why. It's stupid. It just happened. What happened? I'm a big stupid idiot. Womp womp womp. Okay, let's put our thinking caps on. Because I've been using... I don't like how it just shifts over, but that's because of how floats work. What is it? Oh no, it may not be because of B. It may not be yes. Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh. Five Nights at Freddy's. Is this where you wanna be? I just don't get it. Oh, this music sucks. I mean, it sucks when you hear it. It makes me so fucking sad. Oh, that reminds me. I'm gonna show you something else I have made. Let's see. Bubbly kit generator. This has been out for a while. Like, let's see. Bubbly kit generator. Out for a while, as in created 2 years ago, and because of the nature of Splatoon, I've been able to maintain it for that long because I remember. This is the longest project I've maintained. Oh, hold on. This is the new music, but muffled because I mangled it. But you probably want to look. Well, if you're watching my other streams, it's not a spoiler because it's already been spoiled. But spoilers. That's the custom one. We got a real Octoshot. Let's fucking go. I fucking love Octoshot. And then we just have order. Yep. And then NZAP. Well, no. I also had some custom images, as you saw. Let's see. What did I do anything for Squeezer? Just foil. But we got foil. Wow. I'm happy with how we changed some of these. Splat roller. That's so fucking loud. It's not loud for me, but it'll probably overpower my voice. Order. We love order. Bamboo. Sag Boo. Squiff. Splat Charger. We got order. Yeah. Yay. Yoy. Yeah, I'm not gonna show more of that. And YF. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Okay, all right, campers. I didn't tune the volume for the new songs, so they're all quiet when muffled. Maybe we should switch to... Yeah, let's switch to full quality. What is that ugly dog doing? was so ugly. That's how I treat my dog. I have to keep him in place. I have to put him in his place. That's what I meant. Alright. Okay. I am unsure why it only does that on one side. Maybe if I reduced it, give it this even more. But then like, it's gotta be... Mr. Beavers, Mr. Beast, for dinner. Mr. Beast. No, that's not gonna help. It's probably something. It's not gonna help because the clip. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Yes, Mr. Beast. I'm sorry, I'm going insane. ADHD, autism. Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Okay. I can round this. Because what it currently does is it rounds towards 0. That's what it does by default when you take an int from float. Let's say, hypothetically, that didn't help. Oopsie poopsie, I didn't oopsie. Mr. Beast. Please stop asking to have Mr. Beast Burger for dinner. I make great healthy vegan burgers. Okay, maybe if I lower the radius so it matches closer. What the fuck? Why the fucky wucky does it do that, Uwu X3? Like, I have no idea, like, let's see, you can't see my mouse because it's disabled. But, I hate that, like, even though it matches the radius, what the fuck? Fuck! Oh, fuck shit. Let's say, hypothetically, I'm your daddy. Oh, that reminds me. Well, no, not me saying I'm your daddy reminds me, but, because I'm not your father. I'm sorry, I don't have any secret kids. This is all on GitHub under... Oh, this one. Which one is this? Is this No Plan Survives or is Shifting Stars? This is all available on GitHub. Just a friendly reminder. Well, not a friendly reminder. I'm telling you. You need this branch specifically. Because if you can look, if you take a Wooxie Woo. Let me close it. If you take a Wooxie Woo at the Mappy Wappy, you can see that there's some of these guys that aren't actually drawn in the level. That doesn't happen. You can't do that without... What is it? You can't do that. You cannot do that. You cannot do that. Mr. B. Mr. B. Mr. Beast. Hold on. I'm stupid. Come here, stupid doggy. I love you. I love you, Mr. Beast. What just happened? Yeah, I got a doggy in my wappy. What am I doing? You need that, because if it doesn't, then I don't think it'll crash per se. But it'll draw all of these sprites, and you don't want that. You do not want that. Do not let it draw all these sprites. You will regret it. Because some of these sprites are meant to be invisible. This is just marks the player location. The reason, like, maybe at some point those will be phased out, if I ever decide to make a level editor, and I know we all know, like, that's a big maybe. That's a big if. Because that means I would have to dedicate a lot of time, and that's the kind of shit that once I start, that's what makes me stop a project. Let's try 3-point run radii. Oscar, why is him like putting his hand on me seductive like, huh? Like, honey, quiet. I'm not your honey. I'm not your boo. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. This is gonna break in some case. But too bad. So sad. Womp womp womp. Okay. The good part about this is, let's look. Zik out. Dash bin. You can see the cart.wasm 103 kilobytes right now. That's still kind of like, in the grand scheme of things, that's not that much. Let's see. Tick80. Forked from upstream Tick80. Let's see. Wookie. Supported languages. And clicky wiki on Wasm. Okay, these are all of the ones that are supported. So as you can see, 256 kilobyte binary chunk. Well, that's not that much, frankly. But there's nothing stopping. What is it? Let's see. Bank. What is it called? It's called bank. What am I banking on? Bank. I remember there being a bank function. Oh, sync. So what this lets you do is it lets you send. You can save stuff to the cart. So you can take the map and then I can like just run. To avoid that limitation, I could probably write a loader. Because look at all this map. I'm not using all this. I can probably write some garbage data down here. Write garbage. How many is this? I have to look at the memory, but I can write garbage data into like the bank. Especially since I have memory. Because like, let's see. How much memory do I get? How much memory do I get again? I forgot. I think it's 256. It's either 256 or 128. And then Wasm. 160 free for cartridge use. Let's see. Shortstop main. I grab that much for just like for the heap. I have to grab it because of stupid reasons, and so I have plenty of memory to load in. Yeah. I'm gonna take a break because the dog is acting like he needs love and attention, and when he acts like he needs love and attention, that usually means he has to go out. So I'm gonna take a little break.